This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody. Let's guys also fast as on the euro currency take a look at the gold market. As euro currency stands in the consolidation but with the attempt to show the move to the downside, well, the gold market also is forming something that looks like the maybe bearish flag pattern, but still too few candles inside of it to say definitely. But anyway, that is tight consolidation, partially due to the holidays, partially due to the respect of some targets. So you can see this 1618 butterfly target. This market just shows some respect of it by bouncing up from this level. But you can see that 100% extension target of our major ABCD pattern hasn't been hit yet. That suggests some downward continuation. Also take a look how fast was the move right to this area. So this was really fast move on Thursday after the FOMC announced. So you can see this really plunged down right to this target. That's as a rule suggests some downward continuation when the market shows the acceleration right before the target. That's bearish sign. Potentially, as we said, we could expect move at minimum to the 1175, 1165 area. If market will show just the wash and rinse of the current daily lows, so if market will just grab stops below this level and return right back, in this case probably market should move to the 1160 area, somewhere in that sort. If market will show the real breakout, then probably market could show the breakout and hold below these lows. We will understand what will happen depending on what price action we will see. If market will show some sort of action, you can see plunge down and fast return right back, some sort of the railroad track pattern or bullish engulfing right here. So it will be the black candle to the breakout and white gray candle right back up. That will probably tell us that this could be the wash and rinse. The market could show some at least extended retracement to our upside. That will be probably the fake breakout. But if market will show the black candle and then turn to some coil right below these lows, this will tell us that probably this is the true breakout. So that is the moment that we should keep an eye on. But in the very short-term perspective, as we said, anyway, despite what scenario will be chosen by the price action, either it will be fake breakout or true breakout, market should show this breakout anyway, because that's just will be the gold market will be jiggered if it will not clear out the stops that have been placed right below this low. This will stand in opposite to the habit of the gold market. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, we see another butterfly buy pattern that's forming right here. By the way, it's right here, so you can see this butterfly. But on the 4-hour time frame chart, you just could get the details of this pattern. So as we said, this was really fast action to the 127 of the butterfly market. Now stands a retracement. But this plunge down, this acceleration suggests that market should reach 1618 anyway. That will be also the 1618 extension coincides on the current week with the weekly pivot support bar. Initially, we suggest that market still could show some ABCD retracement to the upside, because that will be normal by some reasons. One of them is the weekly pivot point. It has been tested yet, and you know that market gravitates to the pivot points. The second, this stands in a row with the gold habits to retest the broken lows. So as market has passed through this consolidation, it could just retest it. That also will be the 3-8 fib resistance, by the way, 1270, 1280 area, 1218 area. It's right here. But still, you can see that this looks a bit heavy to the gold market. So you can see trend has shifted to the bullish side, but market stands flat. That I suspect that here we could get the bearish dynamic pressure that suggests the taking out of these lows. And in fact, guys, here we could get, and I suspect that the probability of this is really significant, another butterfly. So we'll take a look at the hourly time frame chart. we could get this pattern. Also, we have this minor ABCD pattern that has the 1618 extension at the same area, 1175. 1618 extension of this butterfly also stands at 1175. So you can see a lot of different patterns as the nested doll is putting one to another. So here we have butterfly in ABCD. If we move high to the 4-hour time frame chart, we have another butterfly here. If we move even higher, we have this ABCD pattern and this greater butterfly on the weekly time frame chart. So you can see some sort of the nested doll. So just butterflies put one into another, and we finally come to this big weekly butterfly that points on the potential move to the 1160 area. So 1160, 1175 is an area that will be definitely hit if market will show the breakout of these lows. And as I said, this price action may be due to the holidays anyway. So you can see really choppy actions, very low liquidity and really thin market right now. We said in our research that by the CFTC data, it shows that open interest has moved down significantly, has decreased significantly. That could not necessarily mean that this bearish sentiment, but it just could mean that traders close the positions before the weekend, before the holidays, before the end of the year. Just the contract the positions, and that leads to some minor liquidity, very shallow actions. You can see that's just, well, nothing for the bull market. And from that standpoint, if you'll take a look at this action, it's not quite common for ABCD development. It's more look like the potential butterfly, and I suspect that just look heavy. Market stands flat while trend on the 4-hour time frame chart has shifted to the bullish side. That's the bearish dynamic pressure that suggests the checking out of these lows. That's why I think that the chances for butterfly appearing here is a bit greater than for the ABCD retracement right now, mostly due to the action that market has shown yesterday. So let's see what will happen. But in the nearest term, we should first wait for the breakout to the downside. Second, we should keep an eye on what breakout will be. Either this will be the wash and rinse. In this case, we will be able to take the scalp long position with a deeper retracement on the gold market, or that will be the truth breakout. This will be a really truth breakout, and we will start to search the possibility to take short, since the next destination point probably will be 11 even or somewhere around it.